Since 2013, Connecticut's Trust Act has been dictating how and when police can cooperate with federal immigration officials. This year, both supporters and critics have been pushing for changes to this. NBC Connecticut political reporter Mike Savino joins us live from the Capitol. So, Mike, what changes are going to happen here?
Well, and Mike, we've heard from supporters who want to strengthen it and advocates, or critics rather, who think we should get rid of it altogether to avoid a fight with the Trump administration. But today we saw the House of Representatives approve a bill that Democrats say is an attempt to walk that thin line. Republicans, on the other hand, warn that this could just create more problems for municipalities.
All we're looking to do is make some modifications to it, like I said, that I think go both ways.
For the first time since 2019, lawmakers are looking to change the Trust Act, including clarifying that prosecutors and parole officers are among the law enforcement staff who need to see a warrant before cooperating with federal immigration authorities. The change comes as the White House has promised to increase deportations. But the bill also pulls back protections for some crimes. The Trust Act does not apply to Class A and B felonies. This bill would add convictions for other felonies like sexual assault, certain crimes against minors, and a handful of violent crimes.
That was a big priority for some of our caucus members, mostly, I would say, sexual assault in nature, and kind of hard to disagree with them on that point.
The bill also lets people seek a court order when they think law enforcement are violating the law. Republicans warn this could lead to more legal costs for municipalities.
It's a huge cost to our communities if individuals are allowed to bring lawsuits, especially with the way that it's written. Nonprofits who might be representing these individuals could bring the lawsuits on behalf of them.
Spokesman says Governor Ned Lamont supports the bill because his priority has always been making sure people feel safe in our schools, churches, and elsewhere, and that regardless of status, criminals are kept off our streets. Democrats say they don't think this bill will draw more attention from the White House.
Look, we're certainly not trying to provoke the president or provoke ICE. I think we've had a Trust Act on the books for well over a decade now. That is no secret.
At least 3 federal agencies within the Trump administration have tried to tie federal aid to immigration policy, drawing lawsuits from Attorney General William Tong and his counterparts in other states. Today's 96-51 vote in the House means this bill now comes up here to the Senate. Live from the Capitol, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News.